Hey guys, Matt and Chad here from Go Turbo Honda. So today we're working on getting all the electrical cleaned up a little bit because we have to get all the electrical from the K motor and the Honda data up front here, and we have a heck of a mess going on.
We got a lot of old wiring that we got to take out. There's a bunch of old gauges there that are no longer useful to us. We're going to be removing.
So we're going to work on, well, Chad's going to be working on that. I'm going to work on getting the oil pan back on. We just got the bung welded in, and I'm going to clean that up, paint it, and then put the AN fittings on the back. So Chad's going to work on some of this mess we got going on in here. Sure, it doesn't look good right now, but once it's all said and done, it'll look half decent.
We got the bung welded on here. That way we can twist in our AN fitting. So we have our turbo return.
Yeah, so we're gonna change the angle of the turbo as well. Drop it down.
We already went ahead and put on this fitting here for the oil feed for the turbo too.
So we can tee it off, and then we're basically waiting for parts. Waiting for the wastegate, intercooler, injectors. What else?
We'll have to clock the turbo too, but we're probably just going to wait for the intercooler to come in to see which direction we need that going.
Where exactly we want everything. So yeah, it's just basically waiting for stuff. Got to grab some parts at the local store, but with the virus going on,
there's a whole bunch more wiring and stuff we're going to have to rip out.
So that's all we're going to work on today. Nothing too interesting, but it's all got to get done. So we'll get at her.
We're just going to try to get this Volkswagen running under its own power. We quickly wired together our turbo oil feed and our drain. Matt's just putting some oil in it now, and we got a whole bunch of turbo parts in. We got our intercooler and all the piping over here. Got some extra piping under here. We got our clamps and our rubber connecting pieces here. Here's a bunch of wiring we took out of the car the other night, and we haven't completely wired it up yet, but Matt just wants to take it down the driveway to see if the transmission's connected properly and everything's running good. Yeah. Guys, she's running under its own power there. We don't want to put too much power to it yet. We still have the stock transmission in it, so feel, Matt?
Not bad, not bad. Clutch a bit hard. We'll have to make an adjustment. Not bad. Stink though, but
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have the ignition wired in properly yet, so we're just pulling the map sensor to shut her down for now.
Got a little bit of an oil leak, which we expected. That's normal.
Yeah, we'll have a few bugs we're gonna have to work out of here, so.
That's good. We got it going, so now we know. I think third gear has to be adjusted as well, but not bad.
Yep. There you go, guys. The bug runs under its own power.
Awesome. Things are looking good.
All right, so Matt got to take that for a little spin. He got that little burnout out of his system, even though he was supposed to take it easy on the transmission, but it held up. So we realized we got to tighten it or loosen it up a little bit. The clutch is really stiff to push on. And right now Matt's just kind of clocking the turbo so we can mock up this intercooler. We're gonna see what kind of piping we have and what we need to get to make it all fit. We're most likely gonna have to take out some more of this firewall so we can put a U over here by the throttle body. And put the turbo here. We're thinking it's gonna go right about there. We've got that side all figured out. We just have to get a reducer to go down to the turbo. On this side, we're gonna have a 90 coming down right here, and we're gonna put the blow-off valve right here, and then we're gonna have another 90 going in right here to connect to our U. Once we get that all together, we are still waiting on our injectors, and we can put those in, and then we're pretty close. We actually have the exhaust downpipe. Matt went and picked up some piping the other day, and we're gonna bring that across here, 90 it down, then 90 it right back out here. That way Matt doesn't get smoked out when he's trying to drive it around now. So quite the trouble breathing after that ride, because the exhaust is just, as you can see, blowing right into the cabin. And I think that's about it for the plans for now. So we appreciate you guys watching this. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, that'd be great. Have a good night.
Stay safe.